Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so Earfleek reached out to me and wanted to send me a pair of their earrings to review. So that's what we're going to do. Now this is not a sponsored video. They did not pay for me to say anything. But they did send the earrings to me for free, so I do need to tell you guys that. And again, if you know anything about me, if you have been on my channel for a while, you know that I always tell the brands that I always give honest reviews, and if they got a problem with that, they could keep their product. Sometimes I don't even do a video on the products. I might put them in a video later on down the line. Now, I'll throw it in a worst products or products I didn't like or something like that. But they did send me a pair of earrings. Now, they do have two different tiers. Mine was the standard tier. I just like the earrings, and there is going to be 4 different styles that you could choose from. Now this is a monthly box, and every month they will send you 1 pair of earrings. The standard box is $3.95, and then the premier tier is $9.93. Now there is free shipping, and this is worldwide, so they ship to anybody in the world. And it is 4 different styles you could choose from. There is silly and fun, there is minimalist, there is boho babe, and I don't give a hoot. And that is one where they pick what they send you. So it's kind of a mix of all of them. You can cancel this at any time, and these are 100% nickel free and also allergy free. So I think they're really cool earrings. I went with minimalist. So that's what I picked. So we're going to be unboxing this and seeing what is in here. And they send them in these cute little envelopes, and I believe the premier tier, I believe those go out in boxes, and I believe the difference is the premier tier. The earrings are a lot bigger and flashier from what I've seen of them. It's got this little card right here, which they are inside. Cute. Don't even talk about my nails. I know. And of course they're in this little plastic or bubble wrap. They're in bubble wrap. So they are very well protected. So I do like that. Oh, and again, another case right here. These are cute. And this is something more my style. This is something that I would prefer to wear. So I really do like this. Okay, now they're connected on this little thing right here. So, of course, it's 2 earrings on here. Cute. So these are just bars. I don't know if you could see that really good on there. If not, I will put some photos up here somewhere if you can't see that good. So we're going to try these on. Oh, so cute. I really do like these guys. These are like elegant, but not like too elegant, if you know what I mean. And this is more my style. Now, I do love hoop earrings, but I've never really wore the really big ones, but I do love this style. They do have an option on there for you to pick out your own style of earrings. If you see a pair in there you like, you pick them out. Now you do have to pay a little bit more money for them. I'll show you some examples of some of the earrings that they do have. And again, like $3.49 a month, no shipping. Perfect. I love these. And you get a pair of earrings delivered to your door of any style you want. And again, you could cancel it anytime. I will leave Earfleek link below. If you want to go check them out, feel free to do so. The link is down there for you to go and do that. I think these are super cute. I really do like them. And I can see myself wearing these quite often. That's why I wore my hair back. So y'all can see how good that they look on. But also because I'm having a bad hair day and I really need a hat. So make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every video I upload. I also do a lot of spoilers, and you do not want to miss any of those. Also, guys, rate the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me which videos you are enjoying and what I need to adjust on my channel just for you guys. And also, guys, one more tiny favor before you leave. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.